Hi guys, I'm back working on this shelf. The last video you saw me lay the metal in here. This one you're gonna hear my neighbor's lawnmower, so I'll scoot up. I'm gonna cut down the metal and shine it up. I've also been trying to figure out exactly how I'm going to mount this thing up on the wall. My first plan was to just drill some pocket holes through here so I could flush mount it to the wall. But honestly, some of this wood it's not that great. And I've also got to figure out exactly how I'm going to finish the wood. So make sure to join me for the video after this one where we finally get this project finished. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, I'm going to attempt to grind this down flush. Got a flap wheel, it's a 36 grit. One tip I did get was to cool this down. You don't want to getting it hot. It'll burn the wood. So I'm going to get some water. You see I got AV on water here. You're going to have something really pure. I'm just kidding. That's tap water. You can see it's getting down pretty good. It's nice and smooth. That's gonna have this, was pretty sure after I poured it, it's gonna have a little spot in here. I'm gonna polish it, so I'm gonna make it shiny. And I was thinking about maybe re-pouring some aluminum in there, but it wouldn't stick. And I might as well highlight the imperfection. Okay, I've changed out the flat wheel. I got a 120 grit in there. Gonna take out all those 36 grit lines. You see how I'm going at it a bunch of different directions? That ensures you don't wave it up. You keep it flatter that way by going at it every different way. The best thing is to have something that cuts perfectly flat. But this board isn't perfectly flat, honestly, and I'm really not that worried about it. I mean, I made this out of a tree in my yard. I'll make a shelf out of it. I'm gonna make it a little bit flatter and smoother, but I really don't want it perfect. If I wanted something perfect, I'd buy it from the store. Okay, I got that thing pretty shiny, but I mean, it's just sort of shiny. But what I'm gonna work on next is this bark right here. I also need to decide, I was thinking if I was gonna fill this in with epoxy. I don't know, there's a crack here too. I don't know, I've gotta think about that. But one thing's for sure, I got some blue spray paint on this lichen. And this stuff's kind of loose anyway, so I'm gonna have to, you know, stabilize it. Make sure if I leave some on, it's not coming off. So my plan is to hit it with this wire brush here. Now these things stick right in you, so wear your safety gear. That thing did a great job. I wasn't expecting it to work that good. I mean, that looks very good to me. I mean, I could blow that off, maybe hit it with a regular wire brush in a couple spaces I really couldn't get. And then that might even take a finish, like some sort of oil. Well, this is how far we are so far. We're gonna keep at it though. See, I've got it down to a 220 finish on here, and actually the sandpaper on here is kind of worn out, so it might actually be finer than that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to hit it with this little cotton wheel, shine it up. I'm going to hit it with the green compound first, then white. All right, looks like it's turning out pretty good. See that pretty face? Yeah, I like the way that looks. Okay, thanks for watching the video. And if you have any suggestions, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. And go ahead and like and subscribe. You know what they say.